XCMG TrueCare, featuring a comprehensive, multi-level, multi-role service system. Utilize a global service network to provide timely responses to every customer need, solving problems quickly and efficiently.
XCMG TrueCare offers advanced technology and standardized global services, ensuring every interaction exceeds customer expectations.
From product design to maintenance and hosting, green remanufacturing and modern financial support, building strong partnerships for continuous, stable operations and care.
XCMG TrueCare integrates technology and innovation, offering unique tailored solutions to pinpoint unique customer demands.
XCMG TrueCare operates 24/7 with a dedicated professional team. Committed to supporting every customer, your satisfaction is our priority.